Advantages of using nitrogen gas in food packing. The use of nitrogen in food packaging. It is one of the most effective ways of slowing food deterioration and improving longevity of the food. Oxygen can carry moisture. Oxygen is used by bacteria to grow and thrive on organic material. Nitrogen is a popular gas for food packing because it displaces oxygen. Additionally, oxygen can cause food to undergo oxidation, which can cause food to become foul-smelling and inedible. Example: unbitten apple can be seen the fruit become dark and brown shades of oxidation. Gas flushing. Gas flushing is a process in which various types of inert gases, most commonly nitrogen, are injected inside the packaging to remove oxygen. Gas flushing. Gas flushing is done to improve the shelf life of the product contained within the package. Drawbacks in using cylinder-based nitrogen. Changing of cylinder problems. Safety hazards while handling cylinders. Higher volume usage cost is also high. Consumption of vital floor space. Disparities in supply on requirement. Benefits of using nitrogen generators. Avoid cylinder availability issues. Produce yourself as per demand. Concentration up to 99.9%. Low pressure and more safety. Lower production cost. One-time investment. Our nitrogen generator features both PSA and membrane generators available. Inbuilt purity analyzer. Auto cut off and restart. 4 kL/H to 90 kL/H volume generators. Inbuilt power protection and power saving circuit. Multi-treated, imported chemicals. Indigenous make. And many more. Other application areas. Laser machine connectivity. Painting industry. Casting industry. Aluminum industry. Industrial flashing purposes. Industrial cleaning purposes. And many more.